Hello everyone, welcome to the new session of Vocabulary Shorts. Okay, so guys, the target for today is to discuss the root morph or morph, which means shape. Okay, so guys, before we get started, let me just tell you something about the subscription plan. So if you do not want to waste your time on looking up the best content, and if you want everything to be structured with full PDFs, the mocks, the analysis, so guys, I think you should consider the Plus or the Iconic subscription. Iconic subscription has certain advantages like you have personal coach and OMATs. सो आपको पर्सनल कोच की फैसिलिटी मिलती है, ओमेट्स की फैसिलिटी मिलती है गाइस. ओमेट्स इज बेसिकली अदर मैनेजमेंट एंट्रेंस टेस्ट. ओके, सो यू कैन सी वेरी चीप सब्सक्रिप्शन मॉडल्स वी हैव. आप कोई सा भी प्लान ले सकते हो. द पर मंथ कॉस्ट works out to be the cheapest on 12-month and 24-month plan, guys. And don't forget to use my code HSYNC to get a 10% discount. Now guys, this is also the referral code. That means anyone who wants to access the free sessions on an academy, because every faculty is putting out some free sessions and then there is a lot of paid content as well. Okay, so free sessions ke liye bhi guys, you have to use my code HSYNC. Okay, so guys, these are the batches. You can have a look. And now let's start with the root morph slash morph. So let's see guys, what does this root mean? Okay, now morph means shape. So what is morphology? Morphology is the study of shape. Okay. Now, when I use the word morphology, morphology can refer to shape itself, or it can refer to the idea of study of shape, है ना? तो या तो आप shape को खुद refer कर सकते हो, or you can talk about the study of the shape of something like the morphology of ear, morphology of humans, like that. Amorphous. So guys, a plus morphous, है ना? So a means without, and morph, as we already know, is shape. So क्या meaning हुआ amorphous का? Amorphous means something that is without shape. Now, where do I use this word amorphous? Now, amorphous guys can be used in different ways. We have the word amorphous in biology, where it's the antonym of crystalline, because crystalline solids have a definite shape. Amorphous solids like ice, etc., they don't have any definite shape. So anything that does not have any definite physical shape, that is amorphous. We can also use the word amorphous in literature, or like when you talk about the work that someone does. So an amorphous piece of literature or poetry would be one that lacks focus. Okay, so when I say like this is an amorphous thought process, it can mean, or amorphous story, amorphous poetry. It means that anything that lacks focus or definite direction. So आप उसको वैसे भी use कर सकते हो. You can use it in something that lacks physical shape, or like a sort of work, or a piece of writing, or a poetry, or anything in general that lacks focus, that lacks clear-cut direction. Okay, so guys, that's amorphous. Anthropomorphic. So now you can see this root anthro. Okay, and as we all realize, this root anthro is used for man or mankind. So if you remember, we have the word anthropology. So that's the study of mankind. You have anthro plus logos. So यहाँ पे क्या है guys? We have the word anthropomorphic. So you have the two roots, that is anthrop and morph. Now, where do I use this word anthropomorphic? We use this word for anything that's shaped like a human. Now, it may mean shaped like a human, but then it can have one more meaning. It can also be used for something basically animal or non-living that has qualities of a human. So you can use the word anthropomorphic for something that is physically shaped like a human, or something that has the attributes or the features, okay, attributes of a human. Okay, so let's say, like, if you watch cartoon movies, you will find that a lot of those characters, like the non-living characters and the animals, uh, like they basically behave in an anthropomorphic manner, in which means that they have characteristics or attributes of a human. Okay, so like we know that they are non-living things. Okay, like animals cannot be humans, but then when you have animals showing the characteristics of humans, that is also anthropomorphic. Now, this is one meaning that is apart from the, like, the primary meaning, that is something that is physically shaped like a human. Dimorphous guys, क्या मीनिंग होना चाहिए? डाई का मतलब होता है टू, मॉर्फ का मतलब होता है शेप. So anything that is dimorphous has two distinct shapes. Okay, so now there are like a lot of animals that are dimorphous. That means you have the male and the female in the same, same insect or the same organism. So that is dimorphous. Pleo का मतलब guys क्या होता है? Many. So pleo means many. Okay, and morph means shape. So anything that has many shapes, many forms. So when you talk about something that has many shapes or many forms, that is pleomorphic. Iso matlab, what is the meaning of the root iso? Iso means same. Okay, so two things having the same shape is isomorphic. Okay, so like when you talk about two different things that have the same shape, that is isomorphic. This is an important word, metamorphosis. Now, the word metamorphosis means change of shape. Okay, now that is the literal meaning of the word metamorphosis. So you have the animals, you have the insects that metamorphize. So generally हम लोग इसको बायोलॉजी के सेंस में यूज करते हैं इंसेक्ट्स के लिए, ठीक है. सो आप जब बोलते हो कि द मेटामॉर्फोसिस ऑफ द लार्वा इनटू अ बटरफ्लाई, दैट मींस द लाइक द फिजिकल चेंज ऑफ शेप. दैट इज वन मीनिंग. But metamorphosis can also be used in this way. For example, I saw him metamorphose from an immature child into a responsible adult. Now that is also a metamorphosis, guys. Metamorphosis का meaning हो सकता है the physical change of shape, and it can also be like something that's not changing physically, but then there is a change in attributes or change in qualities, change in like the behavior. Okay, so that is also metamorphosis. We talk about the metamorphosis of personalities of people. Okay, like the change from like one type of person to some other type of person. So that is also metamorphosis. Okay, so we can use that word metamorphosis in that sense also. Okay, so that's an important word. Then we have the last word, that is heteromorphic. So hetero means different and morphic means shape. So heteromorphic means things that have different shapes. Okay, so like as we know that homo is the root for same and hetero is like the root for different. So when two things have different shapes, so that is heteromorphic. Okay, so guys, we learned 8 words. Okay, so quickly looking at all 8. Morphology is the study of shape. Amorphous is something that lacks definite shape. Anthropomorphic is shaped like a human, shaped like a man. Dimorphous having two shapes. Pleomorphic having many shapes. Isomorphic, two things that have similar shape. Metamorphosis is change of shape or change of personality or change of one form into another. And heteromorphic, two things that have like different or distinct shapes. Okay, so guys, I hope you have been able to understand all 8 words. And that's it for this session. And guys, don't forget to use my code HSING. So कुछ दिन के लिए डिस्काउंट रहने वाला है. Anyone who is planning to buy the subscription, guys, quickly you can use this code. Once you use this code HSING, you get a 10% discount. In some days, this discount is going to be reduced to 5%. तो आप अभी यूज कर लोगे ज्यादा बेटर है, क्योंकि कुछ टाइम बाद ये 5% हो जाएगा डिस्काउंट एंड यू वुड नॉट बी एबल टू टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ 10% डिस्काउंट. ओके, सो यूज माय कोड HSING एंड गेट अ 10% डिस्काउंट ऑन द प्लस और आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शन. ओके, सो दैट्स इट गाइस. आई विल सी यू इन द next session. Thank you very much.